Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you 8 different ways to set a password for a local user account in Windows 11. You can use whichever method is easiest for you. Method 1. Using Settings. Click Start, then open Settings. Go to Accounts, then Sign In Options. Under Password, click Add if no password is set. Enter your new password, confirm it, add a password hint if you want, then click Next and Finish. Now sign out of your account and sign back in using your new password. Method 2. Using your Microsoft account page. Click Start, then click your username. Select Manage My Account. From there, follow the same steps shown in the first method to create your password. After it's finished, sign out and sign in again using the password. Method 3. Using Computer Management. Right-click the Start button and select Computer Management. Expand Local Users and Groups, then click Users. Select your user account. You can either click Action, then Set Password, or All Tasks, then Set Password. You can also simply right-click your user account and choose Set Password. Click Proceed, enter your new password, confirm it, and click OK. Now sign out and log back in with your new password. Method 4. Using Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete on your keyboard. Click Change a Password. If your account doesn't already have a password, leave the old password box empty. Enter your new password, confirm it, and complete the process. Then sign out and sign back in using your new password. Method 5. Using Run. Right-click Start button and select Run. Type lusrmgr.msc and press Enter. This opens Local Users and Group. From here, follow the same steps shown in Method 3 to set your password. Afterward, sign out and log back in using your password. Method 6. Using Command Prompt. In the search box, type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as administrator. type the following command. Net user your username password. Replace username with your Windows username, and replace password with the password you want. If you don't want your password to appear on the screen, type *, press enter, then type your password. Press enter again to confirm. Now sign out and sign back in with your new password. Method 7. Using Control Panel. Open Control Panel. Go to User Accounts, then User Accounts again. Click Manage Another Account. Select your local user account. Click Create a Password. Enter and confirm your password, then save the changes. Sign out and sign back in using your new password. Method 8. Using Windows PowerShell. Search for PowerShell. Right-click Windows PowerShell and select Run as Administrator. Type the PowerShell command shown on the screen. When prompted, type your password and press Enter. Now type the second command, replace username with your local Windows username, then press Enter. The password will be set for your local user account. Finally, sign out and log back in using your new password. Those are 8 easy ways to set a password for a local user account in Windows 11. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more Windows 11 tips and tutorials.